This is the Empire State for Morocco at Virginia, the land. Today's date is May 22nd, 2024, sovereign calendar year. All rise and remain standing into perpetuity. This is a sovereign, living, ancient Article 3, Moorish American Al-Moroccan court action, financing statement and foreclosure command. We have a sovereign, living justice in capitis diminution nolo and solo in red ink and purple personas sui juris and sui heritis at all times and at all points in times. All Moors are the sovereign, original, indigenous heirs to the land. We have the heirs to all land, all commerce, and all resources at earth. We hereby terminate all corporate contracts, nunc pro tunc. Our full faith and trust, our allegiance, our credit, our energy are hereby vested in ourselves. We are the sovereign fiduciaries, receivers, secured creditors, executors, trustees, ministers, claimants, and beneficiaries in this concluding calls for action. We are peace. We are one nation, one state, one empire, and one God. We hereby accept our sovereign ascension, issue a state and federal creditors bill for possession against all judgment debtors, and exercise all sovereign rights at this time and at all points in time, nunc pro tunc. The date the subjects and custodians are commanded to appear is today, which is May 22nd, 2024, by the sovereign calendar year. This court is presiding 24 hours a day and 7 days strong. The cause for action is unlawful occupation on sovereign indigenous land. This court has sovereign jurisdiction in all matters on our land. This Article 3 court is calling all corporate citizens, subjects, custodians, and all principals, agents, heirs, assigns, and all derivatives thereto. The subjects are commanded to appear when their name is called. This court calls forth Asset Management Corporation and all agents, principals, heirs, assigns, and all derivatives thereto. All alternative names for this corporation are 24-Hour Asset Management Corporation, Incorp Services Inc., and Corporation Service Company. Step forward. The next subject debtor, BLM Companies LLC, and all agents, principals, heirs, assigns, and all derivatives thereto. Novad Management Consulting LLC, and all agents, principals, heirs, assigns, and all derivatives thereto. Step forward. You will be asked 3 questions to which you will answer no if the answer is no, and yes if the answer is yes. Any other questions you may have will be answered by sovereign affidavit. This sovereign court has jurisdiction in all matters nunc pro tunc and at all times. First and foremost, who are you? State your name and nationality for the record. Do you understand that no United States corporation, company, citizen, nor their agents, principals, heirs, assigns, nor any derivatives therefore, has personam jurisdiction, nor territorial jurisdiction, nor subject matter jurisdiction over me or any more? Do you understand that you are bound by the Treaty for Peace and Friendship, 1786 and 1836? Do you understand that you're bound by the Constitution for the United States for America, 1789 and 1791? Do you understand? The corporation, company, citizens, custodians, subjects, debtors, and all agents, principals, heirs, assigns, and any derivatives thereof were commanded to appear and state their name and nationality for the record to the people, who are the Moorish National Republic Federal Government, Moorish American Consulate, sovereign, universal, ancient, natural, divine heirs of the Empire State for Morocco, Al-Morocc, North America, Central America, South America, all adjoining islands, northwest of Mexico, northwest Africa. The subjects have been given due process for law. The corporate parties did fail to appear and or respond point for point. There has been no competent rebuttal from the subjects. Silence is acquiescence. An unrebutted affidavit stands as law and is the law. Therefore, those who do not speak when commanded have consented to our universal jurisdictional authority by way to this sovereign court action. Subjects acting in a foreign, dead, corporate, fictitious entity have been sunsetted and commanded to stop the acting. This sovereign ancient Almoroccan Article 3 court is ready to state the sentencing by way for sovereign ruling and in favor for all Moors that you are subject to the Moorish National Republic Federal Government. You are subject to the Moorish American Consulate. You are subject to the Article 3 courts. You are subject to the Moors. You are subject to the Moorish American National Heirs as stated at all times. Nunc pro tunc. The Provost Marshal has been notified. This cause for action is now adjourned. Islam, Islam, Islam.